Understanding fear and trembling, a deep dive into language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to delve into a very interesting phrase that you might have come across in literature, movies, or even in everyday conversation: fear and trembling. This expression has a rich history and carries a deep meaning, which we'll uncover together. So, stay tuned to learn not just what it means but also how you can use it in your own communication. The phrase, fear and trembling, is often used to describe a state of great anxiety, fear, or respect. It suggests a situation where someone is so overwhelmed by a feeling of reverence or awe, possibly mixed with fear, that it causes them to tremble. This expression can be traced back to the Bible, where it is used in various contexts to convey deep emotional states of reverence or dread before something perceived as vastly powerful or sacred. Fear and trembling has been used throughout history in both religious and literary texts to evoke a strong emotional response. In the Bible, specifically in the book of Philippians, it is mentioned as part of the phrase, "Work out your own salvation with fear and trembling," emphasizing the seriousness and reverence with which one should approach their faith and salvation. Over time, this phrase has transcended its religious origins to become a part of common English usage, often invoked to describe intense emotions or situations where one is deeply moved, scared, or in awe. In modern contexts, fear and trembling can be used in various ways. To describe someone's approach to a task or situation that they find incredibly daunting or awe-inspiring. In literature and speeches, to convey a character's or individual's profound respect, fear, or anxiety towards something or someone. In everyday conversation, though less common, to express one's feelings towards a particularly challenging or intimidating scenario. For example, one might say, "She approached the podium with fear and trembling," knowing the weight of her words would impact everyone listening. Using fear and trembling in your own language adds a layer of intensity and depth to your expression. Here are a few tips. Use it to emphasize the gravity of a situation or your feelings about something particularly imposing or awe-inspiring. Incorporate it into storytelling or when describing scenarios that involve profound emotions or respect. Remember, due to its strong connotation, it's best used in contexts where the emotional stakes are higher when you wish to convey a deep sense of reverence or fear. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and usage of fear and trembling. We hope this deep dive not only expanded your understanding but also enriched your English vocabulary, allowing you to express complex emotions with greater nuance. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about connecting deeply with others through the stories and emotions we share. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy learning!